Namaskar, welcome back to this video. Today I have to come here again to practice a spoken English. If you are learner or beginner, I have recommend you or suggest you, please try to practice a spoken English every day, not me, because I practice not regularly. That's why my fluency is not good, my pronunciation is not good. I know that if I carry this journey continue, today I will speak fluently and correctly. My pronunciation is also to be good, but not this time, because only one reason: I didn't practice regularly. I have come here and I didn't do the regularly this kinds of job. That's why this is the big fault. So I recommend to you everyone, if you are learner, if you want to spoken English, so you have to practice a lot. If you practice daily 4-5 minutes or 10 minutes using various kinds of app, or you can improve yourself easily. So if you don't practice, how can improve yourself? Actually, practice maximum perfect. Right now I am in the evening. In the evening I am standing on the road, or in the road, middle of the road, and I am thinking, how can I improve myself? Actually, thinking English is too important. If you don't think anything, or actually all you thinking, this is the sky, low sky. This sky is in this moment is the blue, and some cloud, white and black cloud here available right behind this. This is the black cloud, and also the sun is sitting down, and the covered the black sky here. The black cloud covered the sun. Actually covered the sun, as you can see, and there are the little cloud available in this area behind this. That's why the sun is goes down, not really goes down. The cloud is covered the sun. That's why the sun didn't get up or didn't rise up. So in this moment I am standing, I am thinking, how can I improve myself? Actually, if you want to learn a spoken English, you have to practice a lot. Without practicing you can't say anything. Practice makes man perfect. I told you again and again, or I will tell you again and again, if you practice a lot, you can learn English easily. It is not our mother tongue. Our mother tongue is Bangla. English is the foreign language. If you want to go abroad or foreign, you can speak, or you can conversation easily other people, because they are more in the foreign country. Most of the people speak in English. If you go there, or if you will go there, or if you want to go there, you have to learn spoken English. If you learn spoken English, you can conversation with them easily, and you can talk them easily, and you can feeling this environment so nicely, only because only one reason: you can conversation with them in English. So English is not our mother tongue, but it's no matter, you have to practice. If you practice, you can learn spoken English easily. Otherwise you fail. Actually, I didn't practice regularly, that's why I can't speak English fluently. It is not my fault, but I didn't want anyone start their journey they didn't practice regularly. It's I didn't want to, because it's the one kinds of failness. So that's why I want everyone practice regularly and improve themselves. So okay, bye bye, see you next day, next video. Keep practicing.